Hello. Now we discussed two important reactions. Those are halogen exchange reactions. These halogen exchange reactions include two reactions. The first reaction is Finkelstein reaction. The first reaction is Finkelstein reaction. And this reaction, first I write this reaction, then I'll explain. Finkelstein reaction, general reaction is alkyl halide reacts with sodium iodide. In the presence of dry acetone, it will give alkyl iodide and sodium halide. Here R is any alkyl group. R is any alkyl group. Therefore, R substitute R as any alkyl group. And X, in place of X, substitute halogens, that is chlorine and bromine. Now, we'll take an example for this. Example, in place of R, substitute any alkyl group. CH3, in place of X, substitute Cl plus NaI as it is and dry acetone as it is. And here R means CH3, I as it is, Na as it is, and in place of X, we write Cl. This is Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction tells that alkyl halides reacts with sodium iodide. In the presence of dry acetone, it will give you alkyl iodide and sodium halide. And here the next reaction is Swarts reaction. Next reaction is Swarts. This Swarts reaction tells that, I'll write the reaction. Swarts reaction, the general reaction is alkyl halide. Here also take alkyl halide reacts with the silver fluoride. It will give you alkyl fluoride and silver halide. In place of silver fluoride, we can also take mercurous fluoride Hg2F2 and cobalt fluoride and also antimony fluoride. In place of AgF, we can also write mercurous fluoride, cobalt fluoride and antimony fluoride, but AgF is familiar. Here, we'll take an example for this. In place of R, we write CH3, that is alkyl group, and in place of X, here also any chlorine or bromine. Chlorine will, in presence of, reacts with silver fluoride, it will give you alkyl fluoride CH3F and Ag. In place of X, write Cl. See here, Swarts reaction tells that alkyl halides reacts with silver fluoride. It will give you alkyl fluoride and silver halide. Why these are called as halogen exchange reaction means here one halogen exchange with the other halogen. Here in place of X we write I. In place of I we write X here Rx. In place of Rx we write Ri. In NaI we write as NaX. And here also in place of X we write F. In place of F we write X. See here AgF becomes AgX. Rx becomes Rf. Now, how to remember these halogen exchange reactions? Sometimes in exam they ask Finkelstein reaction, you write Swarts reaction. Name this reaction they ask, you write Swarts reaction. How to remember is, see here, name. First name is Finkelstein reaction. In the name, F letter is there. Finkelstein reaction, that is name includes the letter F. Therefore, in a reaction, there is no F. In the name, F is there. Therefore, in reaction, no F. But in Swarts reaction, here the name of the reaction does not include any F letter. Therefore, in a reaction, it includes the letter F. Finkelstein reaction, the name includes letter F. Therefore, reaction does not include any letter F. But in Swarts reaction, the name of the reaction does not include any letter F. Therefore, the reaction include the letter F. Like this, you have to remember Finkelstein and Swarts reaction. These are halogen exchange reactions.